Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Thanks for coming back. I hope y'all are doing really well. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys a bridal / wedding inspired niqab tutorial. So without any further ado, let's just get on with the tutorial. So for today's tutorial, I will be using this rectangular scarf. And first, I am going to place it on top of my head. And I will also make sure that I have one side shorter and the other one longer. Then I'm going to take both sides on the back of my head and pin them down. After that, I'm going to take this flower crown and I'm going to place it on my head. Then go ahead and place the flower crown where you would like it to be. I think I will leave it here. I quite like it this way. After that, take this part of the scarf from the back and bring it on top of your head. After that, I'm going to place a pin right here. Then you are going to take the inner part of this side and basically just tuck it under here, or you can pin it, but I find it easier this way. And then bring it across your face and pin it down right here. So then I am going to go ahead and bring it across my head. So then I am going to place a pin right here. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because it would mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget, be nice to people. Bye!